Welcome, 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 welcome back. All those that don't know me, my name is Laura, and you're cooking with the BAILLUM'S. That's right, cooking with the BAILLUM'S. I'm here, and today I will be bringing to you a whole chicken. However, it's not any whole chicken. I'm cutting the skin off that chicken. At first, I was going to bake the chicken with the skin on, but as I was cleaning, I was like, you know what? I'm just taking the skin off because I did me some turkey wings the other day, and I just took the skin off. It's just something about the skin, like I'll be like, I'll be trying to eat the skin. Lately, I don't know what's been going on. Maybe I'm getting older. I don't know, but you know what? Take that damn skin off. I just need to be. So I'm taking the skin off, and right now I'm cleaning the chicken. In the process of taking the chicken off, so I wasn't gonna do a video, but I was like, you know what? Let me throw this right into a video. So, to clean my chicken, what I use is lime juice and a salt, a lot of salt. So I pour that into my water, I let the chicken sit, and I clean it that way, and then I'm de-skinning it at the same time in the pan of water. So what you will see in this water is what that lime juice and that salt does. You know what I mean? Gets down to the nitty gritty of the chicken. However, once I finish doing all that, then I go back in and I clean the chicken some more. So right now, I'm just gonna let y'all see me how I take the chicken apart. Also, what I have right here, the seasonings I will be using is some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, some onion powder, and some black pepper. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of, where is it? Yep, some Montreal seasoning. You don't want to use a lot of this because this is salty, but I like to throw just a pinch of this in here. So I'm gonna head that to the side. I have my pan, my roasting pan ready. However, I'm putting my chicken in a bag, like you do for Thanksgiving. So inside this bag, I have some flour and some butter. And I have the seasonings. The seasonings out of my eyes. I already have some seasonings at the bottom. And I have some seasonings in there. And when I put the chicken in there, I would take and add a cup of water. So, and then I'll tie it up, and put it in the oven. I'm going to put the oven on 450 for the first 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it down to 350 and let it cook for, let me say it, maybe an hour and 40 minutes, about 2 hours tops. You know, so I had to think about it. But basically, that's what it's doing. So before I touch the utensils, I had my cutting scissors because I already started, but then I was like, let me jump into a video. So I'm going to lower this down real low so you can see what I'm doing. This is the chicken, and you see the water. And yes, this is what lime juice does. Lime juice and the salt, it pulls all that grimy, gritty stuff right on off. It helps you take it right on off. But right now, I'm taking off the skin of the chicken because I just don't feel like no skin, you know? I mean, some days you be like that. Now, I love my fried chicken, but last night I made ribs, and you know what? I was just cleaning this chicken, and I just want to take the skin off. That's it. Point blank period. Just take the damn skin off. So once I started, I was like, look at here. And I had my trusty old scissors. Excuse me. The pepper has me getting ready to sneeze because I already had it inside the bag. And when I moved the bag, it flew up in my face a little bit. So as you see, I'm taking the skin off the chicken. It's a whole chicken. So yeah, taking the skin off the chicken. These scissors, if you don't have any, definitely, they work. And I purchased these at my local Walmart in the utensil aisle where you buy like your spoons and things you need for the kitchen. They nice and sturdy, and you see they get this skin right on off. I just didn't feel like the chicken. I mean, I just didn't feel like the skin. So I just wanted to take it off. I don't know. I just kept looking at it. I was like, you know what? Let me just take this damn skin off. You just had one of them days. You know, sometimes it just be one of those days. You just feel like, just don't mess around with that skin. Stop! That's my grandsons in the background. You know they're a mess. What are y'all doing? What they doing is playing the Nintendo Switch. So you know that's a mess. Stop the hitting, Rodney. Stop the hitting. If y'all can't play together, I'm going to take it. I know I could have cut the video off and started going through, but I wanted you to see me take it apart. So, yes. Okay, don't be jumping all over my bed. No, it's not no we don't, we won't. My baby girl, my little princess, she's over there on her Nintendo Switch. They just finished school, so this is the skin that I took off the chicken. I still gotta get the rest of it off. I'm thinking about leaving the skin on the wing. I don't know yet. I ain't got there. Be mindful what I do because I don't want this water to get up on my computer. Then what I do is I cut this off. See how you have that? I do not like that on my meat. Job, mama cleans the shit out some chicken. When I finish this chicken, we'll be ready. What I'm getting ready to do is change this water so I can get in some fresh water and get down. Just finish getting to the nitty gritty. And we'll be right back. Make sure I ain't touching nothing. I let the water out. This is what the chicken's looking like. I gotta finish taking the skin off. So I had to let that water out and I put some fresh water in. I didn't want this video to be too long, but it looked like it may be long. It's the cleaning process. So once I get through the cleaning process, it's it'll be fine cooking wise. But I didn't want to skip this part You know what I mean? Because some people, may have never saw it before. So I remember it was a time when they came on the news. They was like, "Oh, you shouldn't clean your chicken." Shit, you see all the bullshit that's on the chicken? Y'all better not listen to them. Them better clean your chicken. Look at all that slimy stuff. That stuff be in your chicken. You be eating that once it's cooked. My husband told me, he was like, "Babe, my baby cleans some shit out some damn chicken." I sure do. I don't even be messing around. Cause I don't even. See all that slime that be up in there? Look at that. You definitely want to be cleaning your chicken. Okay? So I'm going to finish cleaning this up and I'm going to get back to you when I go into the third clean. I was getting ready to clean inside the leg, but you know what, let me put this part on video. I wanted to put it up so you can see like what be on your chicken. Like all that little white stuff, I takes all that off. Because I ain't got time for all that hissy. Look at here, boo-boo. And this is my first time pulling all the skin off the chicken. So, look at here. It's first time for everything. So, you know what? That's why I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do this video and put this thing in. Because it is what it is. I'm back to show you my progress because I probably won't get all the skin off. But if you see the water again, yes, that's the process of just getting this stuff out. Because I probably won't get all this white stuff off, but I will get 90% of it off. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this down. Fill this up with some more cold water. Rinse it down so I can see what I have and what I still need to get. So you probably say all this, you might just go ahead and separate the chicken. I'm cooking like this. Now I'm getting ready to go clean out the inside mouth of the chicken. I know it looks nasty. This is the chicken. All right, I de-skinned it. There's still a couple little pieces of the other parts I can take off. I think I'm still gonna take the little skin off down here, but I'm gonna leave the skin on the wings. I'm gonna leave the skin on the wings. So, other than that, there you have it. All right, here we go. Got to clean it all what I'm gonna clean. I'm grabbing this butter out of here. I'm gonna rub it down with the butter. I have my water still running so I'll be able to wash my hands. I rub my wings down. Seasonings make you sneeze. That's that pepper. One thing about pepper, it will open up the nostrils. I ain't too busy worried about the back because the back is what we're not eating. So, all right, I'm placing it in the bag. Rinse that off so I can open my, I had to wash my hands so I can open my cabinet and get glass. Put some water in there. Because I have the flour in there, so I wanted to make its own gravy. And cut up an onion. I just want the onion in there for flavor. So I'm not going to do little small pieces. gonna put some onion. Next I'm gonna get another onion. And I'm gonna put it in the cavity of the mouth. And put this whole onion in the cavity of the mouth of the chicken. And there we have it. Our chicken in the bag with some water. I take the air out of it. I want to add a little bit more water. I see the water sitting right here. I have a tie. And the bag that I have that I'm using is you know, you get the bags for Thanksgiving. So that's what I'm using. The Thanksgiving bag. Whenever I see them, I buy plenty of them because I use them all year long. You know, when I'm doing whole chickens or maybe some turkey legs or something like that, I like the bag. So you always take one of the racks out in your oven because you don't want the bag to hit the top, but I also just cut off part of it. So, there we have it. We're going to put our bird in the oven. The oven is already preheated. It's sitting at 450. I'm going to leave it in for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the oven down to 350 and let it cook. I'll be back. I want to say, now the cleanup begins. I need to clean up everything over here because when you're messing with chicken, you definitely need to clean. What I do is everything over here will get bleached out. So that's how I clean behind chicken. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're getting ready to take this chicken right on out the oven. Let me bring you closer so you can see. Yes. So you can see what we're working with. Woo, woo, woo. Now watch, because the steam be real. The steam coming out that bag be real. Bring this over so you can see it. This is the chicken. The little black spots that you see right there, that's the onions. Remember when I put the onions in there? So that's the onions up in there. You know, it's nice and tender. Let me get a nice little fork. This is nice and, because this is just the meat, so you definitely want this to be like a little harder on top, so that's fine. But otherwise than that, look at that. Look at that. Yes. Remember, I pulled the skin off. Yes. Got the juice up in here. Let me bring it over here so you can see a little bit. Got the juice and stuff going on up in there. That bird looking nice and pretty. So there you have it. The skinless whole chicken. Hey, how about that? Tag me. Let me know if you try it and like it. Thanks for watching. Again, cooking with the Bellums, the Bellums, the Bellums. We cooking with the Bellums, the Bellums. It's all about having fun and having a good time. But thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I will continue to bring you more meals and recipes. Thank you again. Enjoy. Be safe. Double up on the mask.